Salmonella tymphi. Comparative overview. Introduction. Salmonella tymphi is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacterium that is the causative agent of typhoid fever. It is a part of Salmonella enterica species and it is known for the pathogenicity in human. Classification. Domain: Bacteria. Phylum: Proteobacteria. Class: Gameproteobacteria. Order: Enterobacteriales. Family: Enterobacteria. Genus: Salmonella. Species: Salmonella enterica. Serotype: Salmonella tymphi. Morphology: Shape: rod-shaped bacillus, size approximately 0.7 to 1.5 micrometer in width and 2 to 5 micrometer in length. Staining characteristic: gram-negative. Non-spore formating. Motility: motile due to flagella which are prehetericous in arrangement. Pathogenicity: transmission primarily through ingestion of contaminated food and water. Human to human transmission is possible through fecal-oral routes. Infection process: invasion. Salmonella tymphi invade the intestinal mucosa primarily through the Peyer's patch in the ileum. Systemic spread: the bacteria enter in the lymphatic system and subsequently the brainstem, leading to bacteriema. Tissue colonization: one is the bloodstream. The bacteria can infect various organs including the liver, spleen and bone marrow. Virulent factor: endotoxin. The lipopolysaccharide LPS component of the outer membrane triggers strong immune response. Capsule via antigen help the bacteria invade phagocytosis by immune cell. Type 3 secretion system T3SS injection virulence factor into host cell, promoting bacteria entry and survive. Clinical features: incubation period usually 6 to 30 days. Symptom: prolonged fever, stepwise increase, abdominal pain and discomfort, headache, weakness and fatigue, gastrointestinal symptom, diarrhea or constipation, rose post, slum color maculopapular lesion on the abdomen. Diagnosis: laboratory method, blood culture, most defective test. Positive culture are typically seen within the first week of the illness. Stool culture may be useful in diagnosing chronic carriers. Bone marrow culture more sensitive, especially in chronic or typhoid fever cases. Serological test widely test for antibiotic agent OH antigen but less irreliable. Treatment: antibiotic therapy. First line antibiotic include ciprofloxacin and cizithromycin. Multi-drug resistant strain require alternative treatments such as ceftriaxone or meropenem. Supportive treatment: hydration and electrolyte replacement. Hypotomic management of symptomatic management of fever and abdomen pain. Prevention: vaccination. Available vaccine including TY21A oral live attenuated and VI polysaccharide vaccine. Public health measure: improve sanitization and hygiene practice, safe food and water heating practice. Complication: intestinal proliferation, hemorrhage, osteomyelitis, meningitis. Conclusion: Salmonella tymphi remain a significant public health concern in many parts of the world, particularly in developing countries. Understanding the pathogenicity, clinical feature, and management strategy is essential for effective treatment of prevention of typhoid fever. Reference: Medical Microbiology Textbook, Current Clinical Guidance on Typhoid Fever Management, WHO publication on Salmonella and typhoid fever. Feel free to adjust any section or add more detail as per your requirement or focus areas.